When most people think of the Shakers of the 18th and 19th centuries, they think of top quality craftsmanship. The Shakers believed that every piece of furniture should be built as if the Lord himself was going to come down from heaven and sit upon it. So it may surprise some of you to know that the Shakers used pocket screw construction. In modern times, pocket screw construction has become associated with mass-produced or poorly constructed furniture. But the pocket hole is not a modern invention. Any woodworker with a gouge could make one, and they're not all that uncommon in pre-industrial furniture, including several existing Shaker pieces. The key is knowing when to use a pocket screw and when not to use one. A pocket screw won't produce a structural joint on a table or a chair, so it shouldn't be used in place of a mortise and tenon, but they are well suited to attaching table tops, especially if you bore an oversized pilot hole through the pocket to allow room for the screw's shaft to flex as the wood moves. So don't let anyone tell you that pocket screws have no place in fine furniture. If you'd like to learn more about how the old-timers used pocket screws, check out the link in the notes below this video. That'll take you to Will Meyer's work over at the Lost Art Press blog. And thanks to Will for letting us use the photos. For more great tips, tricks, and tutorials designed to make you a better woodworker, check out Stumpy Nubs Woodworking Journal. You can read and subscribe for free at stumpynubs.com.